In the upper spheres, there are three levels that occur before, like the revolution or the showing of Atziliyut world, which is the full letter Yud of Yud K Vav K. So the four worlds actually started Yud K Vav K. But there are three manifestations before that. First is Adam. Is Ein Sof. Then is Zimzum, and then is Adam Kadmon world. Now, this Adam Kadmon world is the tip of the Yud, like a Yud makes three manifestations on a paper. You put the ink on, you move the hand, and then you take the ink off. Now, this first manifestation of the touch on the paper, I call the bindu. I call this the bindu. And this is the everything. This is the everything. The bindu is the everything. And that's the drop of semen and seed. Anyway, now, here's my hiddush. That the word Adam Kadmon, which is shown as Aleph and then quotation marks Kuf, is the actual manifestation of the previous two modes, okay, of Ein Sof and then Zimzum, and I'm going to show it in the letters. The letters of Ein Sof is 207. 207 is how you write the letter Kuf. You write it Resh with a Zion. So the Kuf of Adam Kadmon actually relates and is a manifestation and shows the Ein Sof. Now, Zimzum, when you write it out, is Zadok, Mem, Zadok, Vav, Mem. That comes out to be 266. 266 is how you spell the letter Aleph, fully spelt out. When you have Aleph, Aleph Lamed Pei, Aleph is 111, Lamed is 74, that's 185, and Pei is 81, that's 266. That comes out to be Zimzum. So the Aleph relates to the Zimzum, and the Kuf relates to the Ein Sof. And these two letters actually are 101, which relate to so much. You know, the first of all, it's the spelling of Mikael. It's my number in Kabbalah, in tennis. It's how many shofar blasts there are. And this is the Adam Kadmon world, Aleph Kuf, the 101. And it's also my symbol of Aleph, Samech, Mem. Final Mem. It's 101. And this is the expression of the previous two modes of Ein Sof and Zimzum. And then comes Adam Kadmon with its dot, its bindu. And in that bindu is everything. It's almost what I will call the origin before the beginning, the Anfang before the beginning. And so this dot is what I call the yud of the dot, because this is the beginning of the yud. It's like in what I do for the Hanukkah candles. I strike the match. That to me is doing the whole Hanukkah candle. My putting the dot on the paper is doing the whole yud. And that yud is the yud sod. The whole thing is the yud sod of yesod. The yud is the sod. And the yud and the real thing of the yud is the dot, the bindu, that occurs in Hinduism as on the forehead, the red dot for a woman, the white dot for a man. And in a way, it symbolizes the tefillin of the head. This is beautiful. And this Adam Kadmon comes from Keta. And Keta is 620. And if you do a Shelem Vehetzi, a hole and a half of 620, you get 310 plus 620. That's 930. That's the years of Adam. And that's how we start